Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Katie and welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a Sunday reset because it is very much needed. The state of my room right now is embarrassing. This is the aftermath of a very long and tiring week, so you know, I'm sure everybody experiences these issues with their room after a long week too, so I don't feel too bad about it. In this reset, what we need to do is clean up, like tidy up, do laundry, put away clean laundry because I still have clean things sitting in the laundry basket. I want to wash my sheets, and then I want to clean my car. There's a lot to do, but I think we can do it. Let's get started. I finished picking up, putting away the things that were clean. I separated my clothes into 2 loads plus the sheets, so really 3 loads. My mom is still doing a load, so we're gonna have to wait because I can't do that right now. So I'm gonna go outside and start washing my car. The sun is already starting to go down. It's a little bit after 5 p.m. right now, so I want to try and get this done before the sun goes completely down and the mosquitoes eat me alive. So let's go do that. It is so hot out here and the mosquitoes are getting me really bad, but I'm determined to finish. I just finished washing the car, so now I'm gonna vacuum on the inside. But the gag is, I have a convertible, and usually I put the top down and it makes things very easy, but my top is not going down for some reason. I've never vacuumed my car without putting the top down. I feel like it's gonna be a little challenging, but it's gotta get done. finished cleaning my car, thank God, and I ate dinner, put a load of laundry in, and I was gonna shower first, but I figured I'd just finish cleaning up in here and then shower after so I don't get sweaty and stuff. So now I'm gonna wipe down the surfaces and vacuum, and next load is gonna be my sheets so that they dry in time for me to go to bed later. Everything's going. Now my sheets just need to dry, and then we'll put them on the bed and we're done with the room and all of that. So now is my favorite part of this video, and I haven't done this in a while, but I'm gonna do an everything shower. And this is the creamy jelly cleanser, and then I got the brightening toner, and I really love that they show you the step-by-step on the side of the packaging to like the order that you're supposed to put their products on. I think that's really great because personally I have no idea what order to go in after cleaning. I got this Bright Eyes Illuminating Eye Cream from Hero Cosmetics, and what I really love about this is the applicator. I think it's so great, and that's honestly the reason I bought it. It was a little expensive, but so far seems to be working and I really like it. Finished taking a shower. Now we need to brush out this hair. My hair is super dry ever since I bleached it and did like my balayage thing, and sometimes using that really helps make it feel like silky and soft. So I used that today just because, you know, it's the everything shower. So I wanted to try and do heatless curls. This has been like such a thing on TikTok this year, and I've been wanting to try it. I'm a little scared because I feel like my hair is gonna look absolutely crazy when I wake up, but we're gonna give it a shot. So I got the kit from Target in the dollar section. I think this was like $5. I would like to add in that I have no idea what I'm doing, so it's an experimental process. I'm probably gonna read a little bit and then watch some YouTube and catch up on some Vlogmas. My new book that I got because one of my favorite YouTubers talked about it so much. Her name is Hannah Elise. Love her. I decided I need to read it too. So that book is Fourth Wing by Rebecca Yarros, and I'm so excited. She's pretty thick, so this is definitely gonna take me some time, but I'm so excited. I love a hard copy book, which is why I refuse to buy a Kindle. I love having a hard copy. And to match my book, my parents went on a trip recently, and they always bring us like a little souvenir whenever they go somewhere that we're not on the trip with them. My parents know I love to read, so they got me this cute bookmark from where they went, and it says "Finding the Gold Nugget in These Pages" from Dahlonega, Georgia, and I just think it's so pretty. Anyways, that's gonna be the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. It's been so nice resetting my day knowing that you guys are doing it with me, or at least following along. Hopefully somehow I've inspired you to tackle whatever you've been putting off and refresh or reset your space, your car, yourself, whatever you feel like you might be needing. Honestly, I've been feeling pretty stressed out with all the new changes and transitions in my life with my job, and just realizing that adulting is a lot harder than people make it seem. So I feel like today was a great way to kind of just reset everything for myself. So with that, I'm going to end this video here. Thank you so much for staying until the end and for watching this video. If you like this video, remember to please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!